needs a little repair. Let's have a look. Drag the scanner to check it out. Super! Now let's disassemble the log loader. Keep going. Perfect. Well, it all needs to be fixed. The pipe is broken. No gasoline is coming in. Match the keys to the lock by size. You're so smart. I knew you could backhoe. Pick up all the junk with wires. You're so smart. That's great! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. You're so smart. The wires are broken. Let's fix it. Remove the screws to open the cover plate. Super duper! Magnificent! That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Plug the wire into the right place. Circle. Heart. Triangle. Triangle. Star. Square. I knew you could do it. Wow, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Super! Awesome! Put a patch on it. Keep going. Magnificent! Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. You're so smart! That's great! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. You solved the problem! All done! Now help to assemble log loader. Wonderful! Let's improve the car! Go to the construction site. Keep going. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Keep going. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Congratulations! Diamond Select! Here is your prize for your great work. Unwrap the reward, starting at the top. Wow! What an amazing sticker! These are the fascinating stickers you collected.